All right. Here we go, fam.
So hold on. We
Crap.
need to find like where we can set it up.
All right, check this. Show them the fidget spinner. These are Genjis from Overwatch.
They're like insanely sharp.
Yeah. Here. Oh, shit. Yo. Dang it. No. No.
Screw it. Here, set it down. Set it down. Or here, watch this. Okay, guys, watch
Holy
this.
crap. Come
Here,
on.
take this. Dude,
Hold up.
look at this. So look at how, you see this?
It got everywhere, man.
It's great.
Oh, it got on my face.
Okay, so here, look at this. You see
Okay.
this? This is insanely sharp, you know?
That is Genji's
Watch
fidget
this.
spinner from Overwatch.
Hold on, watch.
Wow, I'm backing up. Yo! He's so dang. Ugh. He has 2 of these. Here's an up close.
Oh my god. Here, I'll show you one that we like.
Yeah, we stabbed open this one. He's bringing it out.
Here, this is the one that we completely destroyed.
It's totally gone. It's not there.
Okay, so, guys, you have like
I know, we gotta do this in the grass.
I know,
though.
do we have a cardboard box? Dude.
No, I don't think so.
We can set it up with.
Here, we can set it up on, like, on the fence or something? I don't know.
It's not on the tennis court.
Here, we can use the shield.
On the tennis court, because you can just evaporate.
Okay.
Well, I mean, but I don't want to break the...
Alright, he's Peter.
You're doing the
I
grass?
mean,
Let's go right here. Yeah.
this dude is going first. Then I'm going second, and my brother is going last.
I don't think this will, like, do any good, though. We need, like... We need, like, wood. Not wood. I can't go into wood, though. If I threw it at one of those, it would probably go in it. Oh my god, you actually dented it.
Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh!
Oh my...
Yeah, wait, put it in this.
Dude, I just threw it at it.
Yo,
Oh my god, it went through! It went through.
Dude, dude, don't mess with Genji, though. Hey.
Holy shit.
No chill. Oh my god, it can actually spawn.
This is what happens with me
Watch this.
when I'm facing Tracer.
Oh, it almost went in.
When I'm facing Tracer, this is what I want to do when I'm playing.
No chill.
Wait, hand me this.
If you hold this
Oh,
down,
come
it
on.
applies pressure.
Nick.
It doesn't matter. We can just wash it off. Oh my god!
You gotta just hold this tiny
Sorry,
little-
everyone.
I spin it like at 2 miles an hour and cut it. Hey, Peter.
Don't do it to me, Nick. I'm Genji. If only we had 3.
Can we go check for a, oh my god.
Hey, yo. Got it.
Stop it!
Here are the fidgets.
Throw that one.
So, let me get out of his light, though. Oh, dang. This isn't focused.
It went through.
Alright, I'm gonna do it on a full one.
It went like right through.
Okay, yo, hand me one, though.
Oh my god, it went in the ground.
Hey! Oh, yo, it's completely stuck in there. Ugh.
Okay, watch
Yo,
this.
look at it's dirt on it.
Let me try.
Dude!
Dude, look at the dirt. Here, I'm gonna go grab a full one. Alright, here he's got a brand new, he brought a whole case of Dr. Pepper, so. Guys! Guys, here's a full one. Here's a full one. Play. Wait, hold up. Do it far away. Play of the game. Ah, crap. Ow!
Dude, let me try.
Here, give me that one. Give me that one. Give me that one.
Yo, wait. Yo!
Oh my god!
Yeah!
What'd you do?
Fidget spinners.
Here, dude, hold on, set it right there.
They can
Chopped your head
play
off.
of the game. Crap.
Oh my god, hold on. Can I try to spit it up? Dude, here, spit in it.
Hold up, let me set this up. Hold up, guys.
Oh my god, Nicholas, look out. Here, look out. So close. That was really bad.
Crap.
Just slip that in
Here.
my
It won't. We have.
Dude, these things have no chill. We need like cardboard boxes that we can throw this into.
Yo.
Hey, try this on for size.
Holy
Oh, crap!
That almost hit my
That went through his
that went
legs.
through my legs.
Play
Look out,
of the
look out.
game.
It just fell.
Retard! Do it on this side.
Play of the game.
What happened?
Alright, guys. This is Genji. We're not done yet, so keep. Guys, do it.
Hey, where's the other one? Nicholas, where'd you? Oh wait. Over here.
I almost chopped off your
Alright, Nicholas, do it quick. I'm getting tired.
Hold on, dude. Where's? Oh, here it is. Here, I'm gonna try it.
Here he goes. He's attempting. I'm backing up. I don't want to get killed here. Safety is #1 priority.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah! Crap, did that break it?
No, it didn't break. That's already been off.
Wow.
Hey, yeah, we need cardboard boxes though. Switch to cardboard boxes.
Alright, I'm gonna end this. It's your boy Juicy Fruit 1211. We out.